To set up our Coinbase account, we will go to Google and key in Coinbase. Then click on Coinbase. From the Coinbase website, key in your email address to get your initial $5. A new box will open. From this Coinbase window you will key in your name, email address, password and the state you live in. You have just received your initial $5. You will need to check your email to verify your account. Go to your email and open email from Coinbase. Click on Verify your email address. Once you have verified your email address, you can log in and verify your account. Follow all the prompts to verify your account. Key in a phone number and you will receive a code. Key in the code. Now you must verify the last 4 digits of your social. Key in the information at all prompts. Here you will see the phone number you keyed in for verification. Verify personal information to include the last 4 of your social. This is for tax purposes. Provide your primary reason for using Coinbase. Provide source of income for investments.
So once you've logged back in, you'll land here at your profile settings. Here, you can add your picture. You can have your display name should already show here. Now, in order to set up a way to fund your account, you'll go here to payment methods. And once you're in there, you can set up the different payments that you may have. In order to fund your account, you're going to want to fund your account with actually US coins. So you'll go to your prices. Here we'll go down and let's find some US coins. US dollar coins are here. So you can do a trade here if you like. Let's open that up. Up here you would put in $100, and that's how you would purchase your coins in order to purchase your Bitcoins. If you'd like to sell, you would click here. And if you would like to convert your US coins to Bitcoins, you would click on convert. Okay, let's escape here. Here, earn rewards. So we'll go to earn rewards, and I'm going to click on one of these. Currently left on this account is $90. Some of these have already been completed. As I told you, it's $115. So say, for example, you wanted to earn money learning about compound Bitcoins. So what we would do here is we would click on this, and it would begin to show you a video that you need to listen to and answer questions.
Lesson number 1. Earn interest with compound. This is Maya.
Already been
She is
completed.
a sophisticated crypto investor with assets on exchanges and in private.
That was a $3 quiz. One question only, and you can take the test as many times as you see fit. Let's look further into the types of rewards that you can earn. So here, as I said, we have compound, which you can earn up to $59 in each of these quizzes. You will earn a certain amount, and it will tell you how much you'll earn right here. So we have earning interest with compound, borrowing crypto with compound, and what is a compound token. And this tells you how many minutes is this. It's only 3 minutes, and it's one question. And that's $59. Here we have Stellar Lumen. You can earn up to $50 here. Here are the quizzes. What is Stellar? What are Stellar Lumens? Sending remittance with Stellar. These are 2 and 3 minute quizzes. One question. Here is where I told you you're able to earn $10 in Bitcoins for each of your friends that you invite. So you would merely go here and copy this link and send the link to your friends, or you would place their email address here and send an invitation. As you go down further, if you purchase some of these stocks, you can earn rewards. Tezo, you can earn rewards. Dia, US coin rewards. Here is another quiz. A protocol for generating DAI stablecoins. You can earn a maximum of up to $6. What is MakerDAO? Maker governance. What's the vision of MakerDAO? These are just some of the quizzes and rewards that you can earn. on Coinbase.